Wolfsbane, Wolfsbane, Pete Wisdom, or Pete Wisdom 21 of 26, the best X-Force members, ranked 8 of 20, the worst X-Force members ever. Widget, Kitty Pryde, Sage, Sage, Psylocke, Psylocke, Rachel Summers, Rachel Summers, Nocturne, Nocturne, Micromax, Meggan, Moira MacTaggert, Moira MacTaggert, Longshot, Longshot, Lockheed, Kylun, Juggernaut, Juggernaut, Feron, Warlock, more Warlock 33 of 67, the best alien superheroes of all time, 13 of 32, the best New Mutants members, rank. Dazzler, more Dazzler 81 of 198, the greatest immortal characters in fiction, 13 of 15 superheroes you didn't realize had villainous siblings, 34 of 36 comic characters that really shouldn't get movies. Amanda Sefton, Colossus, more Colossus 3,134 of 3,512, the best movie characters of all time, 12 of 13 Marvel superhero deaths you knew were never going to stay permanent, 9 of 12, the 12 most indestructible comic book characters. Cerise, Black Knight, more Black Knight 12 of 18, the coolest Avengers who haven't shown up in the MCU yet, 13 of 50, Ant-Man's greatest villains and foes. Nightcrawler, more Nightcrawler 3 of 14, awesome Marvel mutants who were done dirty in the X-Men movies, 14 of 15, weird things you didn't realize about your favorite superheroes' parents, 15 of 15, how major X-Men characters are different in the Age of Apocalypse timeline. Captain Britain, or Captain Britain 51 of 68, the greatest Marvel Avengers characters of all time, 7 of 23, half-human hybrid heroes, 11 of 17, the biggest superheroes and villains who have never appeared in live action.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.